We've all been there. Your HVAC system breaks down, and you have no idea how to fix it. So you turn to the internet for help. And suddenly you're bombarded with a million different HVAC technicians promising the best service in town. But how do you know which one to choose? It's simple, really. Just follow these 4 key tips for hiring a good HVAC technician. First, make sure they have the proper credentials. This is not only important for their own safety and legal requirements, but it ensures that you are hiring a qualified professional. Next, experience is key. You want a technician who knows what they're doing and can handle any issue that comes their way. Don't forget to check references and read customer reviews. These are honest opinions from people who have used their services before. And last but not least, don't let price be your only deciding factor. A higher hourly rate may actually save you money in the long run if it means a more experienced technician will do the job right. So, when you need HVAC repair, remember these tips and choose Moncrief Heating and Air Conditioning. With over a century of experience, Moncrief is the trusted name for all your HVAC needs. Call us or book an appointment online today.